Hi, what I have here is a Rubbermaid mop bucket. What I like about this mop bucket is it has wheels that twist and turns, so you can take it anywhere you want to mop. If you want to take it to the kitchen or to the living room, you can easily uh, pull or push this mop bucket. Now, if you look at the Wringer, it is constructed nicely. All you have to do is you put your mop right there, and then you push down this lever, and then it rinses your mop head for you. It also comes with a handle, another way to haul it or carry it around. It is constructed nicely with solid, hard plastic material. So if you are going for heavy usage of a mop bucket, this is the right mop bucket for you. It is very sturdy, affordable, nice color, and very durable.